Sabi nila, yung luxury daw in life, yan yung may bahay at lupa ka, magagarang sasakyan at maraming pera. Yung iba naman magandang career. Mga ganong bagay. But you know what? The most luxurious thing that we'll ever have in our entire life is peace. Yan ang pinaka hindi mabibili ng pera. Kahit kailan. It's something very valuable and very important. And no amount of money can buy that. Yun yung kapayapaan. Kapayapaan sa puso't isipan. And I think instead of putting all of our energies to be happy, chasing things to be happy, let's try to be calm and let go of the things that are out of our control. And, try to be calm and focus in protecting that safe space in our hearts. At yun yung kapayapaan na meron tayo.